So what is 3D spray detailer detailing spray smell like? Let's find out. Huh. It's funky. It has that funk. It has that same, the same funk as the Natty's Blue Paste Wax. And I don't honestly know if the other Natty's waxes, there's other colors. I think there's red and black, maybe white, I can't remember. I don't know if those smell the same, but there's something in common. I'm sure it's the same chemical. I'd love to know what it is, but it has that in common. So it has that funk, but like, it doesn't smell bad at all. Like, it smells nice with that on top of it. But other than that, it has kind of a cinnamony smell. Like, I get kind of this spiced, not quite like pumpkin spice, but not far from it. Kind of a cinnamon over something. Cinnamon bubble gum? Is it more funky bubble gum? What was that? What was that gum? The cinnamon gum. Big Red? Was that it? I think it smells like that. I just screwed the cap back on in the middle of smelling it. Yeah, I think that's what it smells like. To me, this smells like Big Red bubble gum, like funky cinnamon bubble gum. It smells good, but that's odd. It's interesting. Not what I was expecting. Especially it's purple. You expect grape or lavender maybe, but all right. 3D spray detailer, funky cinnamon bubble gum.